All right, what's good, y'all? In this video, I will be live trading mini Dow. All right, so we super low right now. I'm looking for some type of pullback. All right, we're super bearish at the moment. Looking for a pullback so we can hop in this trade. It's Thursday. Had a nice week so far. Um, but as you see, we got all these little areas where it could potentially pull back and give us a nice sell because it's so low. All right, I don't want to sell this low. Do have another a little area right here on the 4 hour for it to go. Since this is the last place that it broke structure, we're gonna see if it's gonna respect this area. All right. I'm only going with 3 contracts today because it's super low. So we're gonna go ahead and order filled. We're gonna go with this sell. I'm gonna move my stop loss above that candle right there. Take profit literally at this zone. All right. That's another area that I'm expecting price to go to. All right, that's a 4 hour area. All right. Let's see. All right, I'm going to send this setup out to my Discord. All right, so here we go, y'all. All right, so I had this send out my setup to Discord real quick, man. Let's see. Once again, we can come right here to this little zone for 100 points and get the day over with. Now my stop loss is right above the zone, right above this candle right here. Like I say, this is a risky trade, but I'm not risking that much. And plus, we are bearish, all right, super bearish. A lot of sell momentum going on. So we're gonna see, all right. I don't like those little 3 wicks, but we gonna hold on to the trade. Once again, it's already a calculated risk, so I'm not tripping if it goes against me. You know, not risking that much. It's 3 contracts. I just wanted to tap that little zone, get me out the trade. Good. Definitely obvious we are in a bearish trend, but you don't know when the pullback's coming. Like a bigger pullback, because that's why I took it sale, because we had a little pullback right here. All right. Lately, I've been hopping back and forth between trading on TraderVate and TradingView. I find it more accurate trading on TraderVate. All right. Way more accurate trading on TraderVate is just I only can set up my strategy on TradingView as far as the different small little indicators that I do use. But yeah, the price is more accurate. I could be up $800 and it still be at like 500. Or I could be down 500 and it's only showing I'm down 200. So I'd rather just come to TraderVate and place my trades that way now. And I also like the platform. Like I like how it looks. I done played around with it, to the point where I got it just the way I like it. As you see right here, I even got my preferred points and stuff on here. So when I do enter, all right, it's automatically. So stop loss is 45 points, 100 take profit. Like it's automatically in there when I enter a trade. It's every trade I take It's preset. All right. That's one thing I do like about TraderVate is that right there. You don't have to keep going in and putting your stop loss and take profit in and stuff like that on every single trade. It's set every time you enter a trade. So that's that. All right, come on, US 30, man. Just push now. Tap this on so we can be done for the day. All right. Guys, I want you to know, like, being a scalper is good. All right. It's lit. It's also stressful at the same time because I don't trade any other session, all right, other than New York Stock Exchange, 9:30. All right. I can wait all day for the next day and come and lose as quickly as I'm winning. All right. So don't be fooled with all of the stuff you see on the internet or all these other trades and stuff. People do lose, guys. But I will say I happen to be on a nice winning streak right now. And it feels good. Even though I'm prepared for the loss to come, once I literally started only trading 3 days a week and being very picky on the setups that I take, guys, my win rate has went up. All right. It has went up. I'm not trying to force myself to be a trader that can trade all day. All right. So I used to try to trade through Asian session, London session, like all type of stuff, guys. Like that was me trying to prove that I could trade every session. And I used to get clapped every time. So I just went to what was best, which was New York Stock Exchange, figured out my strategy, figured out how I want to approach it, figured out what days I lose the most on, what days I win the most on, and attack those days. All right, attack those right there. I know you guys are wondering why I did not get out right there $1,000. It's because my take profit is literally at this zone. All right, that could get filled. What time is it? We got another 5-minute candle. All right, coming up. And it may go ahead and tap that for us. Come on, let's get it. 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 So 1,500 is the profit that we are going for. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. We literally right there. Tap, get me out of there. And yes, I sent this out to the Discord, so hopefully they took it. I'm gonna be able to check it in a minute. We just need an extra little push to stop me out. All right, at take profit. That's one thing I do hate sometimes with these ticks. It'll literally be right there at your take profit and play around. But I got confidence that we got enough momentum for this to just go ahead and slap that take profit and get me out of there. Just gotta chill, you know. Trust the process. Um, yeah. I could have moved my stop loss to break even, but it's like it's too risky because it still could pull back right to the little area. But we need this to go ahead and drop. Go ahead and just like we literally right there. I could have manually closed. Like, look at that, guys. Look. I could have manually closed that, guys. But this is what the market likes to do, like to play with you. So we gonna see, man. We got news at 10. So trying to step out of this trade before 10 o'clock. I just hope it don't pull back against me. Like, what? Gosh, that is wild right there. This is what happens in trading. All right, I'm showing you the good and the bad. All right, so let's go ahead. Here, going back to this little wick right here. Oh, we stay below that. I'm good. Like we literally was a hair away from the take profit. Like what? That's tough. 943. Wow, you gonna do it? I know you're not gonna do it like that. Like that's crazy. But these thoughts that trades have, especially me, like, but we gonna hold this trade, man, a little longer, which is so crazy to me. I'm at top of that little area. Come on with it. 945. What we gonna do? 945. Stop me out, man, and profit. Let's go. Come on. Just wait off this little area. I got a feeling we're good to go. I like that rejection. And we get back down here again and it starts to hesitate. I'm just close mainly because that don't even make sense to let this come back up like that. But come on. 945, what we doing? I like how that kind of opened. We just need the momentum to push back down a little bit below that wick. I still can't believe it played around right there with my take profit, but we're gonna see if we can get this extra push down. I feel like we can. All right. I done seen this 1,000 times. I also done seen it pull back 1,000 times as well. So you can't go off of previous experience, but we're trying to see, man, what type of momentum it's kind of coming out with. All right. A minute in. Let's get it. Literally was right there. I'm gonna also do a withdrawal today on my funded futures. That process pretty quick. If it's not gonna be in my account today, 9 times 10 it's gonna be there tomorrow. All right. Um, and that's one thing too, guys. Like nowadays with all this craziness that's going on and that you can't really show too much. All right. But I might post something on my shorts, relating to the payout, but there's too many haters out here, guys, too many people hacking into stuff, you gotta be careful out here. And even if you're showing proof, people still gonna call you cap because they're hating. So what's the point? Then we come down here again. Don't tell me we finna come on now. Nah, just the reality of trading, literally. But so we at 1,200. All right, all we gotta do is literally push now just a little hair and we out the trade. Mess with
Order filled.
But as you see, man, take profit just got smacked. We are out of the trade, 1,500 for the day. All right. Pretty much it, man. That's my consist of my day. I usually stick with 3 contracts. All right. 100K account or better. If I'm really feeling a setup, I'm going with 6 contracts. But this was not a 6 contract type of day because as you see, we are super low. Super low. But we had some negative news and prices just tanking. So we came up right here. We got us a rejection off of the area that it did not break. And we took the sell for 100 ticks, 100 points, however you want to call it. And that was it, 1,500. All right. Simple. Less than an hour. Okay. So that's why I trade. That's why I do what I do, because it's, it's a skill set. Once you learn the ins and outs of something, you just do it. So that's pretty much it, man. Like I said, if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell.